6 signs of cough and heart failure. Persistent cough, constant, nagging cough that doesn't go away, often worse at night or when lying down. Cough with pink or white mucus, producing frothy, blood-tinged mucus due to fluid in the lungs. Wheezing, cough whistling or high-pitched sound while breathing, caused by narrowed airways. Nighttime cough, sudden coughing episodes that wake you up from sleep due to fluid buildup. Wet or productive, cough a cough that brings up mucus, signaling fluid congestion in the lungs. Dry hacking cough, a dry, irritating cough without mucus, often triggered by lying flat or exertion.